morning is because Miss Lumi is going all the way to Springdale to finally get fixed. There's a low-cost spay and neuter clinic, and it's not just like the one we have here in Harrison only does it every 6 months. But this place is an actual building. Their website says they do like 100 a day. And it's the same price as it would have been through Ozark Humane Society. I think it's $30, and then they're charging me $8 for rabies. And I'm also paying, I think, $6 for just a vaccine booster. I'm not going to say normally I don't, but with her being so thin and being the runt when she was born, she just seems a little more frail than some of the others, so more precaution the better. So we're going to do that today. Springdale is only a few miles north of Fayetteville. It doesn't on a map look like it needs to be its own place. But anyway, for all intents and purposes, I'm driving to Fayetteville. It's 90 miles from the house. And that's where we go for Jason's VA appointments usually, so it's a familiar drive. Anyway, let's not make this intro much longer than it needs to be. Instead of driving all the way back home, obviously, and instead of sitting in the Fayetteville area for 6 to 8 hours doing nothing, my friend Sam, who I talked about in my video about the breast milk pendant, she lives near Tulsa, I believe. I looked up her address, and she's only people in the country say only to 60 miles farther west of Fayetteville, so she's just the other side of the Oklahoma state line, pretty much. So I'm going to go see her today and see the kids. I haven't ever met the 2 little boys. I was about to say see the girls, because last time I saw her, she had the 3 girls. And hang out with them for a few hours. I think we're going to make some sugar cookies. I'm going to let them decorate them, have a little bit of fun. I don't know if we're going to do anything else. I don't know what she lives near. I don't know if there's a park. My car is way too tiny for 5 children and a mom. So, anyway, that's that. I will check in with you guys after we drop off Lumi, and it's going to be a fun day. Baby girl, we're gonna go from one box to another box, okay? Oh. Thank you. Oops. 75127. Alright, so Lumi's been dropped off. They said they're having a kind of a light day today, so they could call as early as 1 or as late as 4 to have her picked up. And since I'll be about an hour away, I'll probably stay at Sam's till around 1, maybe 2. But I know me. I haven't seen her in 4 years, at least. So, and I miss I have friends, but I mean, I miss having the kind where you go to their house and you sit there all day and just talk and whatnot. So, anyway, I'm heading to Walmart to pick up some icing. I picked up some pumpkin-shaped cookie cutter last night. I probably should have got more than one, but that's okay. I can check and see if there's more. I was just gonna bring them a big bag of candy, and that seemed kind of impersonal since the boys don't know me. So I thought it might be fun to make some cookies. I'm not gonna make homemade dough. I'm just gonna buy. I think Pillsbury still makes the rollout, the cut your own. I mean, like the pre-made sugar cookie dough, and then you just cut it. So we'll do that. I'm gonna pick up some icing. Let the kids decorate a couple of cookies each. I suppose I could have bought one of those kits, but that also too seems impersonal. So yeah, heading over to Walmart and catch you later. Alright, well, Walmart had the icing. I got orange, white, black, and green, but I couldn't find the rollout sugar cookie sheets. I don't think they have them here at Target either. They might only be a holiday thing. So I might have to get the little cookie, you know, like the prepackaged refrigerated ones, and then roll those flat. I'm a little bit annoyed because this pumpkin cookie cutter is like this big, and technically we'd probably only get 6 out of one package of a dozen sugar cookies, because when they say a dozen, they're always only like that big. So I don't know. That or I go back to the Halloween section and get a little teeny tiny tin pumpkin shaped cookie cutter, and we just kind of flatten out those the little sugar cookie discs as best we can. I don't know. I'll let you know how it goes. Let's get into Target. Also, I somehow managed to spill coffee on my shirt. Spit it out when I was drinking with the straw. So maybe they have a cheap t-shirt on clearance, because I don't want to go see my friend looking kind of trashy. I'm feeling fat today. I should have never come in here, because now I want all the things. How cute is that? Oh wow, that's so stinking cute. Okay, I need that too. I need like $300 to spend at Target. Look. Here's another one. I can't find the one that's on the mannequin up front. Look at this one. Oh, jeez. Somebody please give me like $300 to spend it. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, look at this. It's like a linen cardigan, if that even exists. This is what stopped me. But I can't find that shirt anywhere. I also need one of these. I need one of these. Basically, I'm finding everything except for an inexpensive t-shirt I came in for. That is really stinking cute too. Sorry for the whispering. Oh my jeez. Oh, that one not so much. Okay, I take that back. I need about $500. I need this shirt. I need to find the tag so I can figure out what it is. I found one. Still $8. Maybe I should have gone to the Walmart up the block and got a $3 t-shirt similar to this one. That's right. It is what it is. Alright, so I've also picked up a few things in Target so that I could wrap Sam's necklace in here. This was the smallest. I probably shouldn't have even bought it. It's not much smaller than the other one. I'm wondering if ultimately we're just gonna have to take like 2 of the sugar cookie dough balls and like roll them together and try to make them cookie size, big enough for the cutouts. But anyway, I probably spent too much money. I'll figure it out later. It is what it is. I got her this really amazing card. It says, "I thank you for your part in my journey." I hope she really likes it. I don't know what this is in here. It looks like a little bookmark? A little charm of some sort. I don't know. And on the inside it says, "It's one of the very best parts." So I'm gonna sign that before I get to her place. I gotta go put that t-shirt on that I bought. And evidently, I thought she was only about 60 miles away. Looks like she's more like 90. So it's gonna be about 11:30 by the time I get to her place. Which is alright. Once you add the 90 plus the 90, or the 90 plus the 70, from going to Fayetteville and then going to her place, that's 160 miles. That's really not much different than if I would have taken Lumi to Branson and back, like taken her to somewhere in Branson and then gone home. Sorry, I've been making so much noise with the bags. I'm trying to figure out what needs to go in the back, what I don't need up here anymore. Anyway, if I would have taken her to a vet in Branson and then back home, and then gone to pick her up later in the afternoon, I would have driven the same amount of miles today. So I'm not too concerned with the miles. Alright, sorry, I'm just trying to get a little organized. So anywho, I'm gonna go get about 10 more bucks in gas. Gas here seems to be about 20 cents cheaper, which is good. I'll see you guys when I get there. I haven't been to Oklahoma in a very long time, since like the year after my grandmother died on my mom's side. We went down to Bartlesville, or Oklahoma City, for Memorial Day. That would have been 1994. So this is absolutely beautiful. And everybody says Oklahoma is flat. And yes, the road is relatively flat, but there's some really beautiful hills right the other side of the state line. I'm about 5 miles into Oklahoma. And right before I got on the turnpike, there was this gorgeous little rolling hills. I didn't get a chance to get a shot of, but this is pretty. I'm kind of going to enjoy my lazy day off. It's a good thing I like to drive. So, just a few minutes away, I found out there's quick trips in Oklahoma. I wish we had them in Branson.
In half a mile, take exit 231 for US 64 West, Oklahoma 51 West.
Considering that they started in Kansas City, or in Missouri. At least I thought they did. Anyway, so I'm going to stop and get myself a black mango tea. And then we're going to head on over to Sam's. Well, so much for a surprise. I've been driving around in circles for 10 minutes.
To South Sheridan Road.
And because Abby had to call me, now I think they all know that I'm coming. Oh well. And I just got the call from the vet. Actually, while I was just after I gotten off the turnpike.
To South Sheridan Road.
Lumi was done about a half an hour ago, so I'm only going to be able to visit for a couple hours because I'm going to have to pick her up. I told them I'd be there around 3.
Turn left onto East 38th Street.
And I don't
You've arrived.
know which building is theirs. Just got to figure out which building. Okay, let me know how to get through here. Let's go around. Yeah, this is 62 block. Or 62. 65, 65, 65. Jump again. Well, if y'all have been outside, no, just kidding. Are you recording? Yeah.
I thank you for your part in my journey.
That is a lot of black on one cookie.
I want it back.
Why don't you come inside, Kuma?
Is that supposed to be a jack-o'-lantern?
And then I will have white.
It was cute for a second. I think you cut the holes too big.
Uh-oh, sorry
It's like pouring out.
Mommy, I made two.
We should get a second plate for the decorating.
Yeah, look at that.
And that one's gonna be a ghost.
Yeah. I want to do one.
Melting pumpkin face. I love that one. Oh, sorry.
They
How am I gonna go? I don't know.
Yeah,
That nose is kind of weird.
I thought it was Jack Skellington.
So you're sticking around in my friend.
Really? Rain check.
Or you're not done. Here, you're done.
Great, sounds
Yeah.
good. Thanks for understanding.
All right. So, forget how I look. Sam's apartment didn't have any air conditioning. I'm headed back to my side of the state line. The gray coverage has left. The clouds are looking really pretty. But anyway, I should be back to Arkansas in the next 10 minutes, I think. I should just be at the vet to pick up Lumi right before they close. They actually called me early. I hadn't even made it to Sam's yet by the time they called me. But I decided to go ahead and stay and visit with her for, I think it was about 3 hours. I left there around 2:30. Well, I attempted to leave there around 2:30. It was probably closer to 10 to 3. But it's hard when you haven't seen somebody in something like 8 or 9 years. But it was better than nothing. I've made tentative plans to maybe go see her again in a couple of weeks. Depends on if I have the gas money. Because she might be moving state again. And then I won't see her again for a long time because she'll be lots of miles away. But anyway, let's go get my kitty. Alright, well, today was supposed to be over with. But for some reason, Lumi's incision came open. And I'm not talking like a little slice. Like, it came open. I'll insert a picture really quick. So, I wrapped her tummy up. And hopefully, as long as it stays closed tonight, maybe the skin will shut back up. So that's just a little update on the baby girl. I guess I'll wait to edit this till tomorrow. And let you know she's going to be okay. Really don't want to have to drive to Fayetteville in the morning before work. Hi, Queenie. But it's 11 o'clock. I've been up since 5. I'm going to bed now. Just like this little girl. Night night.